Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? How you doing this evening? Well, I'm doing pretty good. I have come on here. This is going to be not a real long video, but I did want to come on here and show you Jess and I are going to be doing my goodness, look at the size of this. Wow. This is a really big palette. It's a really big palette, but it is a very pretty palette, guys. This is so, I was stunned whenever I looked at this palette. It is so pretty. Guys, this is the Hit the Lights palette, and it's a 39 pan palette, and this is in it's actually in collaboration with someone. I don't know who. I wish I did. I did at some point. I know somebody collaborated on this palette, but I don't know who now. I forgot. But I read it. When we got these palettes, I read it. I read all about it. But now I can't remember. Because, you know, I'm over 50, people. I can't remember things. But it is absolutely beautiful. And every time I look at this, I think, oh, I should have got one of these for myself. But, you know, oh, it might be in here. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Well, there's like, one of them I can read, curated by Twee Lee. And Bianca Loves Makeup, but anyway, one of them is by Twee Lee. So each person has like a quadrant. And so this is just like stunning. Look at this, all of these colors. It's just like, wow. And then there's like this really big row right through here for like, I don't know, maybe highlighters or something. I don't know, but it's amazing. It's so pretty. And so there's just all kinds of different colors in there. But anyway, it's really, really pretty. And I just think it looks amazing. So we are doing a giveaway for that. It is going to run until we're going to draw for the winner on next Wednesday. So that's going to be a week. So the giveaway will run for a week, but we'll draw, you know, for the winner after, you know, the day after the giveaway ends. So that'll be, the actual drawing will be on next Wednesday. That's sort of kind of how we do everything that we do. But anyway, it's really, really pretty. Let me put this exactly back the way it goes. So yeah, this is going to be a really pretty palette for you guys. I think that whoever wins this is really going to enjoy it. It is like, wow, it's got all the glitz and glam. So yeah, so this is going to be the one that I am giving away with Jess. Gus, my dynamic duo giveaway partner. So yeah, and that will be going through the 10th. And we will be, the giveaway will run, because today's the 3rd, so it will run for a week, so that'll be the 10th. We will draw for the winner the 11th. I believe that's the way. Let me look at my phone just to double check. But I'm doing the math in my head, so that's dangerous. So we'll actually be drawing and posting our winner video on the 11th, which will be Wednesday. The giveaway will close on the 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So get your entries in for that. Somewhere in your comment, put a comment and put the word enter me for this, and I will enter you based on just the words enter me for this palette here, for the Hit the Lights palette. I am going to run my Jeffree Star giveaway also in this video. So for that, I want you to, somewhere in your comment, use the word star. S-T-A-R. I'm going to filter the comments by the word star. So whatever you want to say. I love Jeffree Star. Please enter me in the Jeffree Star giveaway. I want to be a star. I like the Northern Star. It doesn't matter. I am a star. Oh Baby, I'm a Star. I like Oh Baby, I'm a Star by Prince. Whatever you want to say. Just be sure that you use the word star, S-T-A-R, in your entry, and you will be entered for this giveaway. I will come back to this video. I will put it in the comments that uses the word star in the random comment picker again at the end of the month. This giveaway will close on March the 31st. And I will draw for the Jeffree Star bundle on April the 1st. And so please follow me on Instagram, if you will. I'm at Get This Glowing over there. Share this video out if you don't mind. And this is for the Bloodlust palette. So one winner is going to win the Bloodlust palette. I also am putting up for grabs the mirror, and this one is, let me show you which mirror this is. This is the, I believe it's called the Purple Glitter. So it looks like this. It is the star, but it is the glitter star. So I hope that you can see that okay. It's just the purple but glitter. And then the other thing that is in this one is, just put that back the way that it came, so I don't want anything happening. The other thing is the lippy that is called Sagittarius, and this is the purple lippy that looks like this. So this will come with it too. It's just a single liquid lippy in Sagittarius. So that's in the giveaway as well. So all three of these pieces, the Star Mirror, Sagittarius, and the Bloodlust palette. So this will be in there, and that will run for a month. And then the giveaway of the 39L Hit the Lights, that will be running for a week as a dynamic duo giveaway with Jess on her channel. So I have been trying so hard to get up my Jeffree Star giveaway, and I have been really crazy busy and trying to get everything filmed, and it's just not happened and just been trying so hard to get everything filmed. So I wanted to just take the opportunity while I was filming to get everything all in one video together, and so let you know what I was doing and let you get your entries in for both of those. So then also, if you haven't gotten in on my giveaway of my bag of goodies, Today is the last day that you can get in on this bag of goodies. This was in one of my videos, so if you haven't seen this was in one of my videos, snuck in to one of my videos, so you can go find this and put in for that. I will be drawing for the winner of this tomorrow. I think tomorrow is the end date on this giveaway, so go find that video, guys, and get in on this if you haven't already. So yeah, this is a bag of Elemis skincare. It has the Whaley Wang palette in it. It has a Too Faced palette in it. So a lot of goodies in this bag. So if you haven't put in for this and you want to get in for that, go find the video that this one is in and put in for that. So yeah. So those are all of my giveaways that I've got running right now on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel but you'd like to be, then all you got to do is hit that big red subscribe button down below. We have a lot of fun over here. We do a lot of various content on this channel. And I would love to have you here as part of the team. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Mwah. Smooches. Love you guys so much. Until my next video, bye for now.